Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I am going to review something different. I've been doing a lot of skincare, haircare reviews since a while and I decided to switch things up a bit, and in today's video, I'm going to review a beauty tool. And the one I have here today is this flawless facial trimmer. There are a lot of these available on Amazon from different sellers with the same name, same brand name. So obviously it's not the original brand, but they're quite affordable. The big brands like Panasonic, Philips, you'll find it for like above 1000 rupees. So I wanted to see if it really works. Now this is not my first time of using a facial trimmer. I've been using one since many years. I have from the brand Panasonic, and that has been working for me since more than 4 years, and I just use it for upper lips because I lost the small attachment, so I can't use for eyebrows. But I got this one. This looks like a pen and it has a precision tip, not too fine, but it looks okay. I opened it and checked if it is working fine and all, but I have not used it, so it would be the first time that I'll be using this particular one. Here on the box it says it has a precision tip which maintains shape and cleans up brows. Then the next thing they say that it has a comfortable hold for maximum control. Yeah, it's very lightweight, removes hair instantly and pain-free. Let's see how pain-free it is. The most important thing that we are looking for. Perfect for eyebrows, gentle on all skin types, dermatologist approved. And yeah, let's try. So it just comes with this small brush. Here is the trimmer. It looks like a very small lightweight pen. This is how the tip of the trimmer looks like. Okay, first of all, I've seen a lot of videos, YouTube shorts and everywhere, people using it, these kind of things, beauty tools and other, even the razor on dry skin. I wouldn't recommend that because it could cause skin irritation, it could compromise your skin barrier. So always make sure that if you're doing any sort of shaving, make sure that you apply something on your skin to make sure it's not dry. Like you can use aloe vera gel or anything, any type of gel that suits your skin type. So as usual, I've been using aloe vera gel since many years, and today also I'll be using aloe vera gel. This is not chargeable. You have to put a AAA battery in this device. So I'm just going to start with some easy area like this upper lip, and I'll be using some aloe vera gel. So yeah, it is working and there's no pain, absolutely zero pain, and it's working too. But the only thing is you have to go over one section multiple times, but it is so pain free. There's no pulling at all. Only thing is it makes a lot of noise, which all trimmers do, but I'm surprised this really does work. Said that you have to go over this one area multiple times, so this is definitely more time consuming than the Panasonic trimmer that I have, and obviously this would be more time consuming than razors too. I have used facial razors and that is faster, so this is like going to take a lot of time. So if you don't mind the time factor, and if you want a painless experience of getting rid of the facial hair, then you can give this a try. I am going to try using this on near my eyebrow, but I wouldn't go too close to it. It gives you precision, but then it's not like super thin. I don't want to go too close, but I will try this. Okay, I'm going to be very careful and do the center part. Yeah, it really removed all of the center parts. Wow, I thought it's like time consuming, but as I'm getting used to it, I am going a little bit faster, but for eyebrow I'm going still very slow. Okay, I'm trying to do this excess areas here on my eyebrow. Okay, I got that. I'll use a tweezer for the hair that is really close, all the excess hair over here. I wouldn't recommend this if you are an expert, if you can do it, then go ahead, but I wouldn't recommend it to go too close near the eyebrow section. But if there are excess hairs at the side and all, then you can definitely use this. And great for upper lip. It just so pain free, you know, upper lip is like very painful to, so for upper lip and all it's great. You can do it for eyebrow also, but you can't rely on this alone for eyebrow. You can't have that 100% control. Yeah, there is control and all because it has this precision tip, but with razors you do have a lot of control as it's quite easy to clean, very lightweight, and works well. But how long it would last, I don't know that. And yeah, that is why I had tried some other brand's trimmer. I think it was Philips, which stopped working in 6 months only. Then I used Panasonic, which lasted me for more than 4 years and it is still going. So I would recommend that in case you really want a trimmer that would be like super long lasting. That is it from my review of this facial trimmer. I hope you found this review to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such skincare reviews, and if you're interested in more such beauty tool related reviews, do let me know. I'll try to make more of these videos. So that is all for today, and if you want, you can find a lot of these skincare reviews from the description box below. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.